Something I thought you guys might find useful here is what I like to call my no spare tire kit. So as you probably know by now, the Model 3 does not come with a spare tire. Some people aren't happy about that. I personally don't think it's a big deal. I've never had to use a spare tire before, and a lot of people don't have air in them when they need them anyway. So what I like to do is carry a plug kit, because I have had to plug many tires when I have a flat tire. So I picked out this plug kit on Amazon. It has pliers to remove whatever's in the tire. You have a reamer tool that you can use to clean out the hole. Have a plug insertion tool, which you use with these plugs. And then you have a little knife that you can cut off any excess plug. And it has little instructions here for how to use it, and I'm sure you can find plenty of YouTube videos to show you how to plug a tire. Then once the tire's plugged, you need an air compressor, pump it back up. This one connects to your tire here, connects to your 12-volt outlet in the center console here. And one of the reasons I chose this one is because it's digital, and you can set the set point to whatever your tires need to be. For the 18-inch tires in the Model 3, that is 42 PSI. So that's pretty cool that it will just pump them up and stop. Another reason why I chose this is the black case. It's a soft case, and I really like that it doesn't rattle around. That goes for both of these. The hard cases tend to have little pieces that rattle around. But the reason why this is the Model 3 no spare tire kit is because it fits right here perfectly. And then you can put this in behind it. So it stays put when you're driving, doesn't rattle around, it's black, it all looks good in the trunk. Doesn't take up any space in the bottom trunk, doesn't take up any space in the front trunk. If you are interested in buying these, I'll put links in the description in the video. If you use that link, it doesn't cost you anything, and Amazon hooks me up, so that's really nice. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video requests in the comments.